Hello everyone, this is lesson 0 in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a software from Microsoft from the package suite that is called Microsoft Office, among many other software like Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access and other programs. Now to open Word, you click on Start, you type Word, enter. And if you have this welcome screen, you click on the blank document. Otherwise, you get directly to this blank document. Let's take a look at the interface of this program. First of all, we have the File tab, where you can take a look at some information regarding the document, how to open a new file, in an existing file, saving, save as, printing, sharing, exporting, closing, account, some information about your account on Microsoft Office, options for your document. Then we have ribbons, home ribbon, insert ribbon, design, layout, and so on. So in the home ribbon, for example, you have all these commands, and these commands are composed of, for example, a group of commands like this one, font group of commands. In addition, we have what we call a dialog box launcher, this one. If you click on it, you'll get more options on the font, or if you click here, you get more options on paragraph. Then we have the title bar. This is the title bar. You have the title of the document. Of course, you can minimize, you can restore, or you can close from here. Then we have the ruler. Here I cannot see the ruler, it is not displayed. You have to display it. View, you click on view and you check ruler. If it is the first time or you didn't make any changes on your ruler settings, you will see it in inches. This is 1 inch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 inches. So I need to change it to centimeters. We are familiar more with centimeters system, metric system. So to go to File, Options, and you scroll down to Advanced, scroll down to Display. And display, we have show measurements in units of centimeters, and you press OK. So I can now see my ruler in centimeters, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 16.5, and we have left margins 1, 2.5, and right margins 1, 2.5, and we have the vertical ruler also. Then let's take a look. At the bottom of my screen, I have what we call a status bar. The status bar, it displays the page numbers, number of words, the language, if you have changed the language of your document. Then we have some display, view buttons, and we have the zoom control. For example, if you want to increase the zoom of your page, you can see it like this, 100%. Then for the view buttons, you can see it in read mode, like a book, or in web layout if you are creating a web page. For now, we will stick with the print layout. As you know, once you type any text in Microsoft Word, here I have put some text for explanation. So once you type and you reach the end of the line, automatically Word jumps to the next line. It's called a soft return. So you don't have to type and enter, press enter to go back to go to the second line. It automatically returns to the line 2, for example here, and it continues typing. If you want to force an enter to create a new paragraph, here you press a enter, so it's called a hard return. Then let's now take a look at some keyboard shortcuts you are going to use. I will show this keyboard. So here we have the up arrow, we have the left arrow, down arrow, and right arrow. We are going to use the page up and page down, as well as home and end keys, and plus we are going to use the tab key. Very important keys to jump from one word to another, from one line to another, and so on. And go back. So for example, if your cursor is here and you want to go left one character, one letter, you press the left arrow, 1 2 3 4 5. So we are jumping to the left one character, to the right using the right key, down we jump one line, up we jump one line upwards, page up, page down, down to the next page, page up to the previous page. And if you are here, for example, and you press home, you go to the first and the beginning of the line, and if you press end, you go to the end of the line. I will show you something now. This button, very important button, show hide, if you click it, it will display what we call non-printable characters. It shows you the hard line break, the hard return. This is the hard return. This is another one. The points between words are the spaces you have created, and the small arrow here, it's the tab. Once you click tab, it generates the small arrow. Okay, so they are called non-printable characters, which means that if I print, even if I click the show hide and I print this document, these special characters won't be printed. So it helps me to show me where are these characters used, where I have clicked enter, where I have clicked tab, space, to adjust if I have any unusual layout or any problems in my document. This is all for now for this lesson 0. You can find the document lesson 0 in PDF format in Moodle under Microsoft Word section. In lesson 1 we will do some typing and some formatting.